How's it going, guys? It's Jayton back again today talking about what is Cordyceps mushroom. But first, before we get into this one, I want to make sure to give you the chance to subscribe to this channel. We're trying to get this information out to as many people as possible so they can make informed decisions about the supplements that they're going to be putting in their body. So if you want to help us on that mission, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and let's get into this one. So Cordyceps mushroom is a parasitic mushroom that grows in the larva of insects or infects the brain of the insect, which is really interesting. It will actually burrow its way into the brain, and then whenever it's ready, it'll just pop out of the head of the insect. It is really fascinating. It'll just kind of explode. Anyways, there's 400 species of Cordyceps that have been discovered, but Cordyceps Sinensis and Cordyceps militaris are the most commonly used in health and research. Cordyceps have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years to treat a number of different kinds of ailments, so it's actually very beneficial whenever you can get away from the parasitic characteristics that it has. Some of the potential benefits of this supplement are the reduction in inflammation. It has the potential to prevent and fight different types of cancers. It may improve heart health through lowering cholesterol. It lowers blood sugar levels in some cases. It can actually increase testosterone in some cases. I'm not really sure if that is because it delays the conversion of testosterone into DHT, or if it acts as an anti-aromatase, or if it just increases the production of testosterone in general. So I'd make sure to look into that if you're going to take it for increasing testosterone purposes. And then it can also help boost exercise performance, so that's another really good benefit of Cordyceps. It actually has a high concentration of antioxidants and can help increase ATP production in the mitochondria, which is really beneficial. Typical dose is between 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily in human studies. Cordyceps sinensis is extremely expensive and difficult to harvest, so a synthetic version is typically used in its place, Cordyceps CS-4. And then Cordyceps militaris can be mass-produced, allowing the extracts to be made, and may be a more viable substitute for Cordyceps sinensis. It has been used as a way to increase kidney health and recovery during transplants. So you may talk to your doctor if you're going through something like that and see if Cordyceps would be a good type of mushroom for you to try. So that's all I got for this one. I really appreciate you watching this video. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you learned something, and then comment down below if you got a topic that you'd like us to cover in the future. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.